What if I told you that in the next 15 minutes, you could build your own AI assistant? Not just open ChatGPT and ask random questions. I mean, an assistant that knows what job it has, follows your rules, understands your style, and helps you with the same task again and again. And the best part? You do not need coding. You do not need an app idea. You do not need to be technical. By the end of this video, you will know how to create your first simple AI assistant from scratch. The big mistake beginners make. Most people use AI like a search box. They open ChatGPT and type things like, "Help me plan my day," "Write an email," "Give me content ideas," "Summarize this." That works. But it is not the smartest way to use AI. Because every time you are starting from zero, you're explaining yourself again. You're giving the same context again. You're correcting the same mistakes again. An AI assistant is different. An AI assistant has a clear role. It has rules. It has a workflow. It knows what kind of output you expect. That is the difference between using AI casually and using AI like an operator. What we are building today? Today, we are going to build a simple personal productivity assistant. Its job is to help you plan your day, prioritize your tasks, break big goals into small steps, identify what to do first, reduce overwhelm. This is a perfect first AI assistant because everyone can use it. Student, creator, employee, parent, freelancer, business owner. Everyone has tasks, goals, and limited time. And once you understand this method, you can use the same structure to build other assistants, like Chai, a content assistant, a finance assistant, a study assistant, a job search assistant, a travel planning assistant, a business idea assistant. The formula is the same. The 5-part AI assistant formula. Before we build it, here is the simple formula. Every good AI assistant needs 5 things. Number 1, role. What is this assistant? Number 2, goal. What should it help you achieve? Number 3, rules. How should it behave? Number 4, inputs. What information should you give it? Number 5, output format. What should it give back to you? That is it. Most people fail with AI because they only give the input. They say, "Plan my day." But a better assistant knows who it is, what it is trying to achieve, how it should think, what questions it should ask, what format it should return. That is how you move from random prompting to system building. Step 1. Define the assistant. Let's create the assistant identity. Copy this structure. You are my personal productivity assistant. Your job is to help me plan my day, prioritize tasks, reduce overwhelm, and turn vague goals into clear action steps. That one sentence already gives the AI a job. But we need to make it better. Now add the behavior. You should be practical, clear, and realistic. Do not give generic motivation. Help me decide what matters most and what can be delayed. This is important because beginners often complain that AI gives generic advice. But AI gives generic advice when you give generic instructions. Better instruction creates better output. Step 2. Add the rules. Now we add the rules. Rules make your assistant consistent. For example, always start by asking for my available time, energy level, and top priorities. Separate tasks into urgent, important, optional, and avoid. Give me a realistic plan, not an overloaded plan. Use simple language. End with the next 3 actions I should take. Now your assistant is not just answering. It is following a system. This is the point where AI becomes much more useful. You are no longer depending on luck. You are designing the behavior. Step 3. Add your personal context. Now give the assistant some basic context. For example, I work during the day, have family responsibilities, and only have limited focus time in the evening. I prefer simple plans that are realistic and easy to follow. This context matters because productivity advice for a single student is different from productivity advice for a working parent. Productivity advice for a creator is different from advice for a corporate employee. The more useful context you give, the more useful the assistant becomes. But keep it simple. Do not dump your entire life story. Give only the information that helps the assistant do its job. Step 4. Choose the output format. Now we tell the assistant exactly how to respond. Use this format. Whenever I ask you to plan my day, respond in this structure. Quick summary, top 3 priorities, suggested schedule, tasks to delay, one thing to avoid, next 3 actions. This is powerful because you are removing randomness. You are telling the assistant, do not just talk. Give me a usable output. This is where many people go wrong with AI. They ask a question and then complain about the answer. But the better move is to design the answer before asking the question. Step 5. Test the assistant. Now test it. Give it a messy, real-life input. For example, I have work emails, a meeting, laundry, gym, grocery shopping, and I also want to work on my side hustle. I only have 2 hours of focus time today, and my energy is low. Plan my day. A normal chatbot might give you a long list, but your assistant should now prioritize. It should say, do this first. Delay this. Avoid overloading the day. Use your limited energy wisely. Take these next 3 actions. Testing is important because your first version will not be perfect. That is normal. You improve the assistant by correcting it. Say things like, make this shorter. Be more realistic. Ask me questions before planning. Do not include too many tasks. Give me a morning and evening version. Every correction makes your assistant stronger. The copy-paste master prompt. Here is the full prompt you can copy and use. You are my personal productivity assistant. Your job is to help me plan my day, prioritize tasks, reduce overwhelm, and turn vague goals into clear action steps. You should be practical, clear, realistic, and direct. Do not give generic motivation. Do not overload my schedule. Help me focus on what matters most. Before creating a plan, ask me for my available time, my energy level, my top responsibilities, any deadlines. One thing I really want to complete today. When I give you my tasks, separate them into urgent, important, optional, and avoid. Whenever you create a plan, use this format. Quick summary, top 3 priorities, suggested schedule, tasks to delay, one thing to avoid, next 3 actions. Keep the plan simple, realistic, and easy to follow. That is your first AI assistant. Simple, useful, repeatable. Identity shift close. Here is the real lesson. The future does not belong to people who just use AI randomly. It belongs to people who know how to build small AI systems around their daily life and work. You do not need to build the next billion-dollar AI startup. Start with one assistant for your day, one assistant for your content, one assistant for your money, one assistant for your learning, one assistant for your business. That is how you slowly build leverage. So today, don't just watch this video. Build your first assistant. And be honest. Are you still using AI randomly, or are you ready to become an AI operator? Subscribe to the official AI Hustle Club for beginner-friendly AI tools, prompts, and systems that help you work smarter and build your future.